Alright, welcome to the channel. This is the very first video of a Python series. Python is one of the most popular programming languages right now and is very high in demand. Companies are willing to pay people a lot of money to know this skill. If this is something you want to learn for an internship or a job, or it's just something you're interested in, you are in the right place, so welcome. In this series, we're going to be talking about Python. It's good for data analysis, scientific purposes in general. And it's also relatively one of the easier programming languages to learn because of the syntax, but it's also very powerful and useful. We're going to be using an IDE, and that's pretty much stands for Integrated Development Environment, which is an environment that includes things that you need to develop a program, like a text editor, running a program, and a debugger, which quickly get rid of bugs in your program. So because of we're going to be focusing on data science later on in this channel. We're going to be using something called Jupyter Notebook, which is great for that. It's clean, simple, and it's a nice way to share information with other people. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Google and type in Anaconda. What Anaconda is it's a package manager which pretty much allows you to install a lot of things at the same time. When you install Anaconda, it's going to come with Jupyter Notebook and Python, which is very convenient. So we're going to press enter. Haha, nah, we don't want Nicki Minaj. And alright, so we have Anaconda. Here's the website. We're just going to press download Anaconda up here on the top right. And then scroll down and we see 3.6, and that's the newest version currently. So we're going to get that. We want the newest version. I'm just going to cancel it because I already have it on my computer, but just run through all the things it says. It shouldn't take too long, and then after that you can pause the video right now and I'll see you after you install it. All right, welcome back. Everything should have gone well, and here is Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook is inside Anaconda. We're just going to press launch, and the server should come up. All you have to do here is type in Jupyter Notebook. So what should happen is a browser should open, or you should get a link right here, and here's our URL. Just copy and paste that if you get it, and then paste that into your browser. So it should say something like localhost 88888 or 48. And then this is voila, everything we have here. Yours is going to look a little bit different depending on what's on your computer. And this is what we're going to be using for the next couple weeks. All you have to do is press new, and if you want to use Python, just press on Python, and then here is where you write all your code, so whatever you want. And yeah, I think I'm going to end the video here. This is just a rough introduction on installing this, and then next video we're going to dive right into it. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like the video, subscribe, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or suggestions or anything, feel free to put it in the comment section. And a lot of information is in the description, so check that out if you want for social links, whatever, and information. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.